This Pangang curry recipe with chicken and eggplant is a homage to the vibrant flavors of Thailand, and it makes perfect use of the summer's abundant summer vegetables. We're gonna start by sauteing some carrots, some peppers, and onions. We'll do this until they're just soft. Go big with some ginger. And now it's time to add some of those favorite vegetables. I put in eggplant, bamboo shoots, and I rinsed and drained those to get rid of the tinny flavor, as well as zucchini. Let's add that coconut milk. And now let's start with a teaspoon of the paste. Add some brown sugar, we're gonna cook it, and if it feels like it needs a little bit more heat, go for it and add to your taste. Now let's add our chicken. Now the goal with the chicken is not to let it boil vigorously. The idea is just to cook the chicken gently so that it's tender. In this version, I love to use chestnut mushrooms from the farmer's market. With a handful of mint and roasted peanuts and some lime juice, you're ready to sit down to a glorious meal of vibrant garden fresh vegetables and chicken. Give it a try, and please subscribe to my channel below. See you next week.